Right, I come back here to CW what? CWLB school that we built last year. And Dai is going to teach me, for the first time today, he's going to teach me how to do the pipe welding, which I have always wished to learn to do. I'm getting this lesson for free from my lecturer, Dai.
So right, you cleaned the inside of the
right. Dai said to me, in order to encourage the capillary attraction, I've got to clean the inside first using a sandpaper. Then clean the other part as well, using the sandpaper. That's to encourage the capillary attraction. What it is the welding around, to get the welding go around the curvature of the pipe.
So you need a bit of flux.
Flux. Why do I need flux?
Because that aids with capillary attraction.
It aids the capillary attraction.
It fills the gap, so when the solder goes in, the flux melts and the solder takes its place.
Right.
So you've got a bit of
flux.
So
without flux, it will not...
It'll be very dry, it might not seal.
It might not
So
seal. Okay, thank you.
You get a bit of flux inside there.
Right. And flux there as well.
Flux on the outside of there.
Right, thank you. Here is the flux. That's the flux there.
Take the solder.
Take the solder.
Gas bottle.
Gas bottle. This I have always wanted to do for my project. I have always wanted to do this, always.
So you take center of the flame.
Center of the flame.
Heat it for 10 seconds.
Right. Heat it for 10 seconds. Then
it's not ready yet.
Right. So it is the pipe which must be hot, not the...
It's the pipe that has to be hot.
It's the pipe, okay. How did it go around?
Capillary attraction.
That's the capillary. Look, he only directed his soldering material here, and it went. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it going right round the curvature of the pipe. This is miraculous, to be honest. For me, someone who is doing it for the first time, it's really miraculous. Can I?
Yes, be my guest. Please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much.
So,
right, I have to clean.
What's that'll be hot?
Oh. I'm a student today. Back to school. Oh yes, this is a school. They teach these things in high school here. These developed countries. They teach children here in high school. Instead of beating children like we do in Africa, beat them, they teach them soldering, and they teach them, it's this way.
Wrap it around the pipe, yeah. And then go right round. So that should be nice and clean now, right on? Yeah. Look at that.
See, I've cleaned
Shiny.
it. Now I have to remember what I've been told. I'm putting flux to encourage capillary attraction. Oh God, today is my greatest day, to be honest.
A little bit inside.
And a little bit
That'll
inside.
still be hot.
Okay, show hands.
There we go.
Perfect. Right? So here is my preparation. It's ready. Honestly, I'm telling the truth, I'm excited to be doing this because I've always wanted to do it.
Put it in.
Put it in.
A little bit of twist.
A little bit of twist.
Yeah,
that's to encourage.
That ensures that you've got flux everywhere.
Then trigger it on. There's my flame. Then I'm heating it now.
10 seconds.
I did see him heat right round. Just one place, isn't it? Right. The spot where I'm going to. Oh, you said the center. You said the center, isn't it?
Yeah, right. put it on the opposite side.
Oh, put this on the opposite
Yeah.
side.
Flat.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's solder. It's all you need to do is keep the pipe.
Should I put it now?
Try it. Look.
Or
It's hot enough because this is melted.
Yeah.
So go on, put it.
Yeah.
Take the other flame away. Take the flame away. There you go. Stop. That should. Purposes of seal. A little bit more. Take away the flame. A little bit more flame. Add your solder. Opposite side to the flame. There you go.
It's gone round.
A little bit more. Go again. Solder. That's it. That's it. Stop. You knew you had the heat there because this previous solder
Yeah.
had folded. But
You'll be melting it.
yes. So
Hey, I've done it.
hot.
Now I can claim. Look, what's actually interesting to me? I did direct my
Solder?
my solder at the opposite side. So now look, it's gone round. That's what he calls capillary attraction. To be honest, from today on, I'm going to buy this. And I've got this already. You won't believe I've had it for a very long time. I've never used it. So, I will be calling myself, I'll be able to do my project now using these pipes instead of using polymer, which I've been using. I tried polymer, but it's leaking.
You
No.
can make all sorts of things with
Sizes,
copper.
yeah.
With copper you can make
Yeah.
phone holders. All sorts. You can make whatever you wish.
Okay.